Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the few lessons I've learned in my past 3 months of protective styling. If you don't know, I just finished a 3 month protective hairstyle challenge. Well, I'm not entirely finished because I haven't taken down I haven't taken down the braids yet. So I did post a video showing you guys my 12 weeks update and how what my hair looked like, and so but this is the 13th week. I've not taken the braids down yet, and trust me guys, I'm going to take my time to take this braid down. It's not something I'm going to do in one sitting at all. So I'm going to be taking my time to actually take down these braids. But in today's video, I want to share with you guys some of the lessons I've learned, some of the things that putting my hair in mini braids has helped me to achieve in just 3 months. So one of the things mini braids has helped me to do is to prevent my hair from knotting and having split ends. Because my hair is in braids, it is stretched, my hair is stretched, it's not coiling up on each other, so it is very easy to avoid single strand knots. That is the best way to go about single strand knot, keeping your hair in a stretched state, keeping your hair in a protective style. So I've been able to combat that, and because I'm not combing my hair, I'm not detangling, I'm not doing too much to my hair, because they are protected, it is very difficult to have any issues with split ends or single strand knots. Then number two, it also helps me to prevent unnecessary shedding, because by the time you're all on your hair trying to detangle, trying to stretch your hair, trying to do one style or the other at different times, there are some hair strands that are not supposed to shed at that point in time. So this is what I like to call forceful shedding. So it can snap out of your scalp because of excessive manipulation. So you might think that because you see the white bulb then it's shedding. Sometimes some of them pull off because of excessive manipulation. Then number three thing, mini braids challenge has helped me to keep moisture in my hair, especially the ends of my hair. So my hair is not breaking off at the ends. The reason is because I found a way to keep the strands of my hair moisturized by wrapping the ends of my hair. I showed you guys the way I do that. I'm going to put the video down below. So most times, even when I want to remoisturize my hair, I still see that the ends of my hair are moisturized because I wrap them up. I keep them secured, I keep them away from the sun, I keep them away from any weather elements, so they are tucked in. When I want to remoisturize, I still find that the ends of my hair are still very, very much moisturized. So this has helped me a lot. And then last but not the least, mini braids has helped me to stay out of my hair. So we all know that if you want to retain that length, you have to let your hair be. Letting your hair be for a while also helps you to retain length. So I'm not trying to be all in my hair week after week, trying to switch up styles, trying to do one thing or the other. My hair has pretty much been in these braids for the past 3 months, 3 good months. Apart from remoisturization routine, of course, which is a simple routine that takes me about maybe 5 minutes or so, which is nothing, it's not much. Then another thing that I think mini braids has helped me is to be consistent with my scalp massaging routine. Even though I talk about it a lot, sometimes it's very difficult to keep up with it. But this time around, I was very, very intentional. I'd kept a calendar that reminds me of when to do my scalp massaging, what time and all that, and for how long. So each time it pops up, it's a reminder, go and do your scalp massage. And it's always easy when your hair is in braids or twists, because you just go into your scalp, do your scalp massage, and then you're done. So these are some of the things I've learned and I've seen that mini braids helps you to retain your length. You can see I showed you guys in my 12-week mini braids update the nape of my braids, how grown they are. I've not loosed my hair yet, but that should be around 1 inch to 1.5 inch of length in 3 months. So it helps me to retain length because I'm not manipulating. I'm taking my time, I'm letting my hands off my hair for a stretched period of time and all that. So all these are benefits of putting your hair in protective style. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you joined me in this challenge. What has been your lessons? What has been things that keeping your hair for this long has helped you to achieve? Please share this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done that yet. I promise to share with you how I take down this protective style, because what will be the use of going for 3 months of protective styling and I'm not able to take down my hair successfully. So I'm going to be live with you guys doing that takedown process. If that's something you want to see, please let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.